and welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. I'm Susie, and this is my Petite Kitchen. Today, we're going to make traditional Greek cake. It is a cake of lost and found. It is called Fanouropita, a Fanouropita cake, and I am going to beg my family, my Greek family and friends, their forgiveness because I do slaughter the language. But this cake is a traditional cake that is made to celebrate the feast of Saint Fanouropita, who is the saint in the Greek Orthodox Church. He's a young saint, and he is the saint of lost things. His name literally translates to reveal. So when the Greeks celebrate his feast day, or if they want to find a new job, or they're celebrating a new job, or found something, or lost something, or if you just want a nice cake to have with a cup of coffee, this is a great cake to do it with. Okay? All right, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We are going to prepare a 10-inch cake pan lined with parchment paper and grease the sides. All right, we're going to set that aside for now. We are going to combine in a bowl 2 1/2 cups of sifted flour. And your sifted flour is going to give your cake a much better texture by sifting it. Then we're going to have cinnamon, baking powder, because there's no leavening in this, so you need something to help your cake rise. There's actually 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't skimp on the salt. It's important. Then we're going to have 1 cup of granulated sugar. And we are going to we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together till they're well combined. Just like that, and we're going to set that aside. Then we're going to combine our wet ingredients, and there are no eggs or milk in this cake. This is a totally vegan cake. So we're going to have 1 cup of orange juice and 3/4 cup of olive oil, like that. A 1/4 cup of Greek brandy, which is called Metaxa. Now, if you don't want to use the brandy, don't have it, just another 1/4 cup of orange juice would substitute it well. Okay? We're going to combine this. And then we are going to add this to the dry ingredients. Okay, so we're going to add our wet ingredients right to our dry ingredients here. Like that. And we're going to mix it all up till well combined. Okay, so we've got everything mixed up very well, and then we're going to fold in 1/2 cup of golden raisins and 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. Now this cake traditionally has either 9 or 7 ingredients, and of course the recipe will vary depending upon what region of Greece you're in, but the 7 or 9 ingredients comes from religious symbolism. All right, so you're going to find more modern recipes that have more stuff like vanilla and stuff like that in it, but there we go, we're all mixed up. And we're going to bring our cake pan back over here. And we are going to scrape this into there. Okay, this is what our cake looks like in the pan. We're going to put that in the oven on the center rack for 45 to 55 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so here we have our finished Fanouropita cake, our little lost and found cake. We've dusted it with some powdered sugar just to dress it up a bit. And we have a moist, delicious cake here to enjoy with our coffee. We baked at 350 degrees for 45 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center came out clean. I hope you enjoy our cake. I hope you enjoyed our session here. Remember to like us and subscribe. We'll look forward to seeing you again.